Ito yung itinatagong sikreto ng Divina Gracia eh. Why did they were able to have contract with Petrongas? Oo. Na na-share sa akin. And right now, kung sino man yung mga big time, baka naman kung gusto mong magsunog 24/7 in a year, meron akong lupa doon. They are both near to the running water, maraming punong kahoy, may mga niyog, may uling, pwede mo nang gamitin yun. Actually, kahit ako pwede kong gamitin, pero nasa akin yung idea, alam ko paano, pwede kong gamitin yun, pero no, not for now. Maybe the big oil companies ang pwedeng mag-arkila doon. Much more better, di ba? Parentahan mo na lang yung lupa mo, rather than ikaw pa yung magluluto. At alam mo naman na yung transaction niya, so pwede mo na lang tingnan.